You know that feeling, right? You're in the nursery. You've poured so much love and effort into every single choice, and it's almost perfect. Almost. But there's always that one last thing that ties it all together, the thing that makes it feel complete.
I mean, you've done all the hard stuff. The paint is perfect, the crib is built, those tiny little clothes are all folded away, but then there's that one wall. That one big blank space that just sits there, staring back at you. It feels like it's holding its breath, just waiting for something.
It's waiting for the piece that doesn't just decorate the room, but actually finishes it. The one thing that pulls the entire vibe together and lets you finally take a deep breath and say, okay, now it's done. Something that feels as calm and as perfect as a sleeping baby. So let's dive right into our first section, the art of calm. Because that's really what we're talking about, isn't it? It's not just about filling an empty space on a wall, it's about creating the perfect feeling for your little one. Just listen to that. This isn't just a picture, it's an emotion in a frame. It's like a lullaby for your eyes. It captures that feeling of a warm hug, a quiet moment, a deep, contented sigh. It is, quite literally, comfort you can hang on the wall. So how does one little print do all that? Well, for starters, that soft, painterly style just feels so warm and handmade. The gender-neutral palette, it works with absolutely any color scheme you can dream up. But here's the best part. The design is timeless. It's going to grow with your child, creating that same peaceful, safe feeling for years to come. Okay, so we've got the feeling, the vibe, it's perfect. But here's the part most people miss when buying art. You need quality that will actually last. So let's get into section 2, built to last forever. Because this is so much more than just a poster you'll toss out in a year. This is a keepsake. You probably hear the term archival quality thrown around. So what does it really mean? In simple terms, it means this print is made to the same standards as art in a museum. The paper is thick and substantial, and the inks are specially formulated to resist fading. So those beautiful, warm tones you fell in love with, they're going to stay that way. No yellowing, no fading.
And here's a pro tip, a mistake so many people make with nursery decor. They buy something with a cutesy quote on it. The problem? Those things have an expiration date. But a beautiful, wordless illustration like this, it's timeless. It looks just as perfect in a 5-year-old's room or even a teenager's reading nook as it does hanging over a crib.
Let's just geek out on the materials for a second. We're talking about a solid pine wood frame, not that cheap, flimsy composite stuff. The printing is museum-grade giclee, which means the color is spot-on perfect. And it even comes with a certificate of authenticity, which really elevates this from a simple decoration to a genuine piece of art for your family. Now, all that quality is fantastic. But let's be honest. For any parent, there's something even more important: peace of mind. And that brings us to section 3, the smart, safe choice. This is where the thoughtful design really makes a difference. I mean, think about it for a second. A heavy glass frame hanging in a nursery, it's a little scary, right? That's why this uses shatterproof plexiglass. You get the same exact crystal clear look, but without any of the risk. It's lighter, it hangs more securely, and if it ever gets bumped, it won't break into a million sharp pieces. That right there is priceless. And check out this other little detail that makes a huge difference. It's got a matte finish. You see, a glossy print would catch the light from a window or a nightlight and create this distracting glare. But this matte paper just drinks in the light, so you get this soft, warm glow from any angle, day or night, keeping that calm atmosphere you worked so hard to create. And of course, every nursery is different, so whether you need a big statement piece or something smaller, or if you want a frame in natural wood or black or white, you can get the perfect match. It's all super easy to see for yourself. Just check out the link down in the description. All right, so you've found the perfect art, you've picked the perfect frame, and then comes the waiting game. We all hate that part, right? Well, let's talk about section 4, from our door to yours, because the way this works is honestly a game changer. So the typical wait time for custom-framed art is, 2, maybe 3 weeks? Forget that. Over 90% of these orders show up in just 5 days. That's a massive difference when you're excited and you just want to get your room finished. And how is that even possible? Well, the secret is that the art is made locally. Instead of shipping from one warehouse across the globe, your order is made at whichever of the 140 facilities is closest to you. That means you get it way faster, there are never any surprise customs fees, and hey, it's even better for the planet. It's premium art just produced a whole lot smarter.
Okay, let's bring it all home. Our final section. Finish your nursery today. Let's just stack up the total value here because we want this to be the easiest and most rewarding decision you make for this special room. So here's what you get. You get the baby monkey sleeping art print itself on that archival paper. You get the premium solid wood frame completely ready to hang right out of the box. You get the certificate of authenticity. And you also get a free printable planner. Oh, and for every single purchase, a meal is donated to someone who needs it. So it's a purchase that feels good in every single way. And just to make this a complete no-brainer, we're taking on all the risk. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you get it home, hang it on the wall, and don't absolutely love it, just send it back for a full refund. No hoops, no hassle, no questions asked. Zero risk to you. And you know, you'd be in great company. This brand has been around since 2018, and we've shipped over 12,000 orders. That is a lot of beautifully finished rooms and a whole lot of happy families. So let's go all the way back to the beginning, back to that one empty wall that's just waiting. Are you ready to finally give it the piece that says, okay, now it's finished? And hey, one last thought. If you happen to be shopping for a baby shower gift right now, please stop looking. This is it. This is the thoughtful, premium gift that won't be outgrown in 3 months. It's the one that will actually stay on the wall and be cherished for years. Just look at that. That is the feeling we've been talking about this whole time. That quiet, that comfort, that sense of completion. If you are ready to bring that feeling home, all you have to do is click the link right there in the description below. Go ahead, click that link, and get that nursery finished today. And while you're down there, make sure you